Hi guys, today we fix our computers and make them first again. First and foremost, we shall hit Windows plus R, then type msconfig, hit enter, select startup, then open task manager. So here we shall see all the applications that start up automatically with our computer. So most of the softwares that we download always tend to start up automatically with the computer. So that really slows down your computer mostly each and every time. So you will discover that your computer will start up very slow. The startup process will be very slow. So we shall be able to disable via status. We can disable or enable software or applications to start up with the computer. So basically, I'm going to look for a software. Let me select Chrome, and I'm going to disable it. So you can disable all programs or applications that you do not want to start automatically with your computer. So after doing that, the next step we shall hit our Windows plus R again, then type MRT, then enter. This will enable us from removing all malicious programs from our computer. So we shall just do a scan. We can either do a full scan or a quick scan. So I'll select quick scan. So my computer will start up the scan and it will scan for all malicious programs. So in case I find any malicious program, I'll just remove it. Or I'll do a full scan in case the quick scan returns malicious programs in my computer. Basically, that's how we can make our computers fast again. Thank you very much for following. In case of anything, you can always ask questions in the comment. Do not forget to like and subscribe. God bless you.